In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. Sharing files during your virtual meetings is a great way to enhance collaboration and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Let's get started with the steps you'll need to follow. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by typing Google Meet in your search engine or simply entering meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. At the Google Meet homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. You will need to select your Google account from the list provided. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the one you want to use for this meeting. You can then go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll spot the New Meeting button, typically located in the center of the page or sometimes as a drop-down menu option. Click on it. A variety of choices will pop up, but for our file sharing purposes today, select Schedule in Google Calendar. This option not only helps set up your meeting date, but is also essential for attaching files right within the invite. After selecting Schedule in Google Calendar, you'll be guided to a new page where you'll start typing in the name of your meeting. This name should be clear and relevant to the meeting topic, allowing your participants to easily identify it. Next, pick out a date and time that suits you and your attendees. Google Calendar will automatically adjust the times based on your time zone, which is incredibly helpful. With your meeting particulars lined up, it's time to add the email addresses of your attendees. This ensures everyone receives the meeting invite along with any files you attach. Make sure to double-check the email addresses for any typos. Once you have your attendees set, move on to the meeting description box. Here, include any additional information or instructions that will be important for your meeting. This section is quite flexible, so feel free to add as much context as necessary. Next up, let's delve into attaching files. You'll notice a Google Drive icon somewhere on this page. Clicking this will allow you to attach files directly from your Google Drive. Simply locate the files you wish to share, select them, and then add them to your invite. Once your files are added, close the Google Drive window and ensure everything you've added appears correctly in the event details. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top of the page. This action will send out your meeting invite, complete with any attached files, to all the participants. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to share files and attachments using Google Meet. By following these steps, your meeting attendees will have all the materials they need at their fingertips, which will help your meetings run smoother and more efficiently.